Okay, hello everyone. Happy weekend, everyone. I hope you're enjoying your weekend wherever you are. So, without further ado, I have a new video for you. So, first things first, this is Forest Factory. And I think I've talked about this site in previous videos I've uploaded. So I think I've talked about this site on previous videos I've uploaded. Forest Factory. It's an informative website for traders to be in the know on what news events is going to be affecting the currency you're trading, be it USD, be it Euro, Pound, Japanese yen, and all that. So this is from January 25 to 1st of February. So this is the new week we're about to enter, and there's a lot of news. This new week we're going to enter, we're entering. So let's see what last week did. Let's go through what last week did and how did these news events impact the markets and price moves. So this is last week's news events calendar on the week. On Monday we had bank holiday for the USD all day. Then President Trump speaks. Then Tuesday we have pound 7 a.m. Wednesday there was no news. Thursday we have USD around 1:30 p.m. and 4 p.m. And Friday was Friday had a lot of news events. Excuse me. So sorry. Friday had a lot of news events. Friday we have Euro, we had on Pound and USD as well. So let's hop into the charts and see what Bitcoin did this previous week and how did these news events affect the dollar and as well as gold, because I dropped a video on gold yesterday on the last trading hour on gold, what gold did. See that price action, gold was pretty bearish on that video. So let's hop into the charts and see what Bitcoin did. So this is Bitcoin. So this is the previous week. It's previous week's trading range. As you can see, there was not really any expansive. There was not really expansion this previous week like the one we had. This is the daily time frame for Bitcoin, and each candle in this time frame represents a day worth of trading. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, this is Friday, and this is Monday of the previous week. This is Tuesday of the previous week, this is Wednesday, and this is Thursday, and this is Friday. You see what price did? See what Monday did, yeah? This is Monday. This is Monday's candle. Monday we price higher, then take this high. If you watch my previous video, I was anticipating this high for Bitcoin. So this is the previous year high for 2024. This is the highest Bitcoin came 2024 from that bull run, from the bullish run we had during Trump election and all that from November. See where it started from here. We have Bitcoin expand up. Then this was the high made before tracing lower, before coming down and try to come down again, then up, and we take out this high. So this is Monday. Monday traded through this high but closed in a black candle. Black candles are bearish candles, green candles are bullish candles. Look at what Tuesday did. Tuesday we price higher again, closed in a bullish candle. That was a green candle. Then this is Wednesday, Wednesday we price into this fair value gap. Remember, this fair value gap annotated on the previous 2 videos or 3 videos. This fair value gap on the daily time frame on Bitcoin. Yeah, so you see how price was held inside its fair value gap, was going in, was going out, was going in, was going out. So trading was a bit difficult for this previous week on Bitcoin. So if you were looking to buy on Monday, you would have been a buyer, but if you held the trade, you would have been stopped out, because Monday, what Monday did, came lower and went higher. Tuesday came lower then go higher. Then Wednesday just repriced lower. Then Thursday, see what Thursday did, went up and closed lower. Then finally Friday closed higher. So this is what Bitcoin did for the previous week. It was a pretty consolidative week. There was no expansions like we got on the second week of January for Bitcoin. See, this is Monday, this is Tuesday. Tuesday expands, Wednesday expands. Look at what Thursday did. This fair value gap right here. Thursday came down into the fair value gap, we price higher. Then what did Friday did? Expand higher into this fair value gap. So with that in mind, see what this week did. So this week was a bit consolidative week, range bound week for Bitcoin. So what I'll be anticipating for this new week we're entering, excuse me, so I kept in mind Bitcoin is still bullish. There's no reason for me to be bearish on Bitcoin, because this is a pretty significant expansion on Bitcoin for the bull run. So I think from maybe Bitcoin will find support inside this fair value gap, then will price higher, or drop a little bit then going higher. So whatever Bitcoin will present for this new week, I'll react to that. So I'll be observing price as it unfolds. So let's head down to a more lower time frame and see how Bitcoin maneuvered around this fair value gap in the daily time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. This is the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, and this is week 3. So this is what price did for the previous week. As you can see, Monday was pretty bullish. See the bullish candle Monday, then that bearish candle again. So you see what Bitcoin was doing. Bitcoin went up, traded above the previous year high, 2024. Then it could not go past that high. Then what did it do? Look at the bodies of the candle. Look at this body of this candle. Look at the body of this one and this one as well. All of them could not close above this previous year high price. The candles could not. So Bitcoin found resistance from this price. Then we priced lower into this daily fair value gap. Then on Tuesday again tries to go up, came down again on Wednesday. Thursday tries to go up, and Friday. So you see, just excuse me. So as you can see, it seems like Bitcoin was just trapped inside Monday's trading range, because if you see the highest point that Bitcoin went for this week was on Monday. That's this high and this low on Monday. The rest of the days was just trading inside Monday's range. So it was a pretty consolidative week. Not an ideal week for trading, I would say. Preferably my opinion. So let's go down to the 1-hour time frame and get a better read on what price did for this previous week. So you see, much clearer on the 1-hour time frame. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, and this is Wednesday, and this Thursday, and this Friday. See how price played around. Price went in and out of this fair value gap from the daily time frame without giving any directional move or any directional play of where it's going to go. After we see Monday traded above this previous year high price. That's what Monday did. It was just weeks for these weeks. But if you look at, let me get this a little bit closer so you can see this properly. You can get what I'm saying. So you see, you should take a look at all these candles. Look at the body of all these candles. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one, the close was underneath this previous year high price. this one as well, 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 all of them showing resistance from this price point, showing a willingness to be priced lower. So that was what happened on Monday. Then this is Tuesday opened and traded inside the fair value gap. Then Wednesday opened from here, then traded down. Thursday, what did Thursday do? Look at what Thursday did. Thursday opened, traded down. Sorry, show. So what Thursday did, open, traded down, up, and came down again. Then look at Friday. Friday was pretty much of a consolidative day for Bitcoin. There was nothing. It just opened, price lower, and I think it took out Thursday's high. Let's check if it took out Thursday's high. Okay, see what Monday did. Friday took out Thursday's high. Then we closed the week inside this fair value gap on from the daily time frame again. I think I'm too fast when I speak. Actually, I can slow down a little bit. So this is what Bitcoin did. It was not an ideal week for trading. If you look at this week, this previous week before this one before this consolidative week, see how this one was expansive, how Bitcoin going up buys. It was an ideal week for trading. That was the second week of January. Then the third week was just muddy price action. So that's about that for Bitcoin. Let me get back to the daily time frame and let's go over it one more time. So this daily fair value gap is still valid and is very important to what Bitcoin is going to do this upcoming week. So is either Bitcoin would find a foothold or use it as a support or a springboard to go higher, then work on this high. Either Bitcoin would reprice lower, then maybe all these lows might be taken out. So whichever scenario Bitcoin would offer going into the week. So this should be my focus on Bitcoin, this range. So is either Bitcoin will go up, take this high, then fall back, or come down, take this low, then go up. Since Bitcoin is bullish, I would prefer Bitcoin coming down a little bit then before we go up. So whatever price gives, whatever price does, or whatever price prints or reacts. So that's about that for Bitcoin. Let's hop down to dollar and see what dollar did for this week. So as you can see, this is the dollar index. You can see here's the daily time frame, DXY. So this is USD, dollar in general. This is the dollar chart. So if dollar is coming down, we should see Bitcoin going up, right? If dollar is going up, we should see Bitcoin at least giving a decline, right? Yeah. So this is dollar and this is the daily time frame for dollar. So this is Monday, the previous week. This is Tuesday, and this Wednesday, and this Thursday, and this Friday. Now, if I take this off, let me take this off. You see this? You see these candles? This candle's high, and this candle's low. This candle traded into this fair value gap at first. Then price moved away from it aggressively, traded up into another fair value gap, and take this. Is located far back on this chart, so I can't really. Anyways, let me show you. So you see, this is where it's got another block. So other blocks is a whole concept and a whole discussion for another video. So that was where dollar found resistance, then started trading downwards to where, not just a random place or just a random level. No, dollar was trading into this fair value gap, this candle's high and this candle's low. So that's a fair value gap, an inefficiency, an imbalance, if you call it. So this is where dollar was was drawn to this previous week of trading. So hence dollar is bearish. Yeah, we should see Bitcoin decline. We should see Bitcoin rally or being bullish. But if you look at Bitcoin's chart for the daily time frame from the previous week, Bitcoin was just why? Because Monday took out its high. So if Monday should have repriced lower, then maybe Monday didn't take out its high. Monday repriced lower. Then Tuesday you'd have seen Tuesday expand, and Wednesday expand and take out its high. But Monday did the job already. So hence why we see this consolidation from the remaining days on Bitcoin. This fair value gap as well. So that was why. Now on DXY, on dollar, on USD. So dollar was pretty bearish for the week. It's fair value gap. So what am I anticipating for dollar for this new week we're about to enter? So I might see dollar find support right here, then try to go up and resume the bullish run, because if you can see, dollar has been bullish. You see, dollar has been bullish, up. So you see, up, tries to come down, just a little retracement, then continues again. What price did here, comes down and continues again. Now if you look at this, doesn't this pattern look similar to this? You see what price did here, comes down, goes up, comes down. If you look at here, there's a fair value gap right there. Price comes down into the fair value gap and expands again. So I'm expecting the same scenario from here. As price gets into this fair value gap, should use this as a support for some momentum to resume the bullish price movement on the dollar index. So if not, dollar, I would see maybe dollar reaching for these lows. Might be overzealous, or maybe these lows. So is that dollar, use it as a footer to go up, or trade through this, find resistance from it and continue lower. So whatever dollar is going to do, we'll see that in the upcoming week. So that was about dollar. And what else should I touch on? Okay, let's go to gold. Gold. Now on the video I dropped on Friday's price action, I was tape reading Friday's closing hours of trading. So as you can see, Friday, let me take a zoom at this so you see it properly. So this is gold. Previous week, bullish week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. See, so if you had been a buyer on Monday, because why, USD is, how you saying, XAUUSD, so it's coupled with USD. So whatever is happening with dollar, we might see some reactions of gold as well. So hence dollar was being bearish, so gold was allowed to expand a lot. This is Monday, this is Tuesday, Wednesday, this is Thursday, and this is Friday. What is this candle's high and this candle's low? You see this candle's high and this candle's low. You see that gap there? That's a fair value gap. What did Thursday do? This is Thursday. Thursday traded in. What did Thursday do? Traded in and left. Traded in and reacted from the fair value gap and then closed in. Then what did Friday do? Friday expands up. We've had Monday expanding up. We have Tuesday expanding up as well. We have Wednesday expanding up as well. So the only day that was kind of like an accumulative day for gold was on Thursday. Thursday didn't expand. Thursday repriced into this fair value gap from the daily time frame. Because it's a daily time frame. So Thursday we priced into the fair value gap. This is what Thursday did. He didn't spend any much time. He didn't go into. He didn't even reach the midpoint of the fair value gap. That's ideal if you want to know a really bullish play or a really bullish market. So you see price working this first half of the fair value gap. You see price just coming down to the first half of the fair value gap, then leaving the bottom half open, leaving the bottom half open. So you see price deep down and reacted up from this fair value gap. Then what did Friday do? Friday continued the bullish expansions from previous days. So with that in mind, I knew Friday was overextended. Then I was hoping for Friday would retrace lower. So that was why I was tapering in gold for the last hours of trading. So Friday posted the high of the week, and Monday posted the low of the week. So once I saw Friday has put in the high of the week, then I knew the market was retracing into the range. So I know I've said a lot, and for a neophyte or a beginner or a beginner might feel like gibberish in your ears, but rest assured there's logic to us. There's logic. So once you know the logic, and that is it. So that's on gold. What am I expecting on this new week on gold? As you can see, this high. As you can see, this high has not been reached. So I would see Monday, Monday do damage, or maybe Monday we price lower. We set another stage of buying again from inside this fair value gap. So we'll see what gold will do next week. Okay. So that's about that for Bitcoin, dollar, and gold. Thank you. I wish you a great new week. Stay safe and happy trading.